Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share. I stopped by my Dollar Tree just to browse, and I found some more Halloween items that my stores had not had before, so I went ahead and picked them up. I like this sign, look at this. It says, "Rest your bones, tombstones, cobwebs, haunted house, beware, dead in and keep out." I was thinking I want to cut them and separate the words. Like, I like this one. Like the spider is raised. Can you tell? And then the cobwebs is littered. I like the color on this one. I think that's why I picked it up. But yeah, I only picked up one. And then I also found this one, look. My stores finally had these candle holders. These are so cute. I picked up 3 of the bats. They have it in the witch and also the cat. Those are the only 3 designs that I saw, but I really like the bats. So I went ahead and picked them up. And it's for tapered candles, so it'll look great like an arrangement if you set it up like this and maybe put some floral around it. It'll be awesome to look at, right? So yeah, see how the bats are all, you can make them all face one direction, or you can turn one, maybe turn the middle one that way and then turn it this way so you can see the bats in a different formation. But nice, right? Because the bats are just a silhouette, you can view it from both sides like that. I like these. So yeah, enough about that one. I'm quite happy I found those. And then I picked up 2 more of these jars. I really like them. So I was thinking about making a floral arrangement and putting it on the shelf, and then I'm like, oh, I had only 2 from my last haul, and then I was thinking, well, I need like another one so I can do like an orange, black, and an orange combination, or I could do the black, orange, and the black, right? I really like these. They're so cute. I also found these pins. This is another one of those puffy gel pins. I have bought the purple and the blue one before, and I found it in the green color, so keep a watch out for that if you want the 3D pin. These are really nice. I like them. I mean, when you write them, you let it dry a little bit, and when you run your finger across the surface, you can see, and you can feel the rise of the ink. Nice. And then this one, they were right next to each other, and I'm like, oh, I like those colors. So I went ahead and picked it up. They're gel pens, and they're 0.05 millimeters. So it's a nice, very thin writing pen. And then these are the colors, the barrel colors. That's what the ink color is. So pick that up. And then I've been wanting some more notebooks. These steno books, and you get 100 sheets. Well, you know what it looks like. But I only found one. I was hoping to pick up, 2 or 3 while I was there, but they only had the one in. And I picked up my first Christmas item. I picked this ornament up. They are so adorable. Yeah, let me open this one right quick. Look at these. Aren't they adorable? This is that galvanized metal. But look at this one. This one has a gingerbread guy in Santa suit, and it says Noel up there. And then you have a little girl. Look at that. And the joy up on top. And then another gingerbread guy with the that green stripe hat and scarf. Look at that. It says peace up here. But you get 2 of each design. See? Well, this one's over here, the girl there, and then the one in the center suit. But this was something different. I have not seen this at Dollar Tree before, so I went ahead and picked it up. I like these. I'm going to add this to my collection of name tags. You know, I have a box just for name tags, so I will add this in there. But how cute are they? I know somebody's going to love getting these tags, and you just, put the name on the back, right? Adorable. Or you can add it to other craft projects. Use it as like an ephemera. That'll be awesome too. But they have other tags available. I just really like this one. That is my haul from Dollar Tree. I really did not have too much. I just kind of browse to see what they have available. Some of my Dollar Trees are setting up like the bonus section. And one store, they're kind of like, a mix of stuff. It's quite unorganized, but they're trying. And then I have another store in my area that right now they're doing their renovation just so they can set up the bonus area. So that store is closed. So my options are limited. I only have 2 stores that I'm shopping at right now. And then the other store is getting ready to do the bonus section too, but they haven't gotten to it. So I'm sure that's coming soon too. But, I was browsing and this is what I found. But I'm quite happy I found my candlesticks. I've been watching everyone haul these and I've been wanting this. I'm glad I found them. Quite cute. Well, I hope that you find everything that you are looking for the next time you go to Dollar Tree, that you find everything on your wish list. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.